intelligent operation and maintenance envisioned in the future. FIS 600 temperature and vibration monitor, magnetic adhesion mounting immediate use, whole-day online stethoscope, real-time data acquisition, synchronization to the IIoT platform via wireless network, real-time monitoring more than just recording, it predicts. The system accurately captures abnormal data before a failure occurs. The platform triggers audible, visual, and pop-up alarms immediately. Engineers quickly interpret warning information. Remote and on-site collaborative handling, forming an efficient closed loop, preventing equipment damage and unexpected downtime. Intelligent operation and maintenance should not be isolated through high-performance distributed I/O modules. Flexible access to on-site digital and analog signals. Data uploaded to the platform in real time. Works with valve islands. Real-time feedback on pneumatic actuator status. Precise control at a glance. IoT platform, full equipment access, giving every device an intelligent security, intelligent operation and maintenance, preventing problems before occurring.